Subscribe PoinTECH and press bell icon to get latest updates. Never miss new videos from PoinTECH.
Friends, I am back with a new amazing tutorial. In this tutorial, I teach you to store or hide your message inside any image, and you can send this image to any person you want. No one can read your message that is stored inside image. So let's begin and share your message secretly. JPG image that I am using to hide message. Now open Notepad. I am opening Notepad using run command. You can open Notepad from Start menu. Type your message in Notepad and save it normally on desktop with message name or that you want. Now open command prompt. Type cd space desktop and hit enter to get in desktop. Now type copy /b space image file name with extension plus message.txt space enter file name with .jpg extension and hit enter. Message is now copied in new image file. Now you can delete both old files if you want. Now open new file in Notepad to see hidden message. You will get message at the end of this strange matter. Now scroll down till end. See, here is our message. Put your comment in comment section if you need any help. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon with new tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this tutorial.